Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy USDT on Binance. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not any mistakes. So all we need is open Binance in browser. There are several ways to buy USDT, consider the first one. Click buy crypto, enter your currency, for example euro, and select USDT. Then we enter the amount in euros and see how many USDT we will receive. But not in all currencies this can be done. This method is for beginners and it is very simple, always check if it is profitable for you. And there is another way, click trade and P2P. Select USDT and the currency you want to buy it, for example the dollar. On this page we are shown real sellers and their offers with prices, their terms and reviews. If everything suits you, click buy USDT and enter the required amount. Before making a deal, be sure to read the seller's requirements and his percentage of successful transactions. Work only with those who have more than 90%. Then click buy, transfer the money to the seller, and after checking it, he will send you USDT to your wallet. In the same way, you can sell USDT, click sell and see the offers. Also check everything and then make a deal. Always be careful in P2P because there are scammers here. That's all this can also be repeated on the phone. Also watch my other videos about Binance at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye, have a nice day.